Hello guys, happy holiday for today, which is Labor Day on Monday, 4th of September, and I wish you a good holiday and hope you are not working today, because I know that there are some people working because whenever you go outside you find stores that are open, so there might be people who are still working on this holiday, but it's okay. It's okay. You will have your days off later. Okay. So yesterday we have done a live stream and we talked about how to search for stocks. Okay. So and I have received a lot of emails and comments, and the most important thing they ask is, how do you select this kind of stocks? I say it's by momentum, and some people they say to me, what's this momentum? And okay, I will tell them, just go to training level 2, study it. You will find how I search for stocks, how I find them. Okay, there are two ways of search. Either you search by stock screener, but I will give you the criteria even without, for example, you are an international trader. You can't use this stock screener that I use. Okay, you can find another stock screener in your country and you do the same criteria. Even if you don't find any chart, your broker chart for example, you put the stock, you put my criteria. It's very easy because you can do it manually, so it's not a big deal. Okay, and then you find stocks like this, or there is a second search. You can put stocks derived from industries. The industry index, you do the same criteria as the stocks. Now if you find a good industry that it is going up, or it has my criteria, you can find stocks in that industry. It's very easy. It's just manual. It takes more time. You put the stocks in the chart and then you put the criteria, two criteria, and then you will find stocks. Yes, in training level 4 there are some other criteria that you see in the chart, because not all the charts, not all the stocks, they are good, because sometimes you find a lot. Here in America we have the biggest stock market, so that's why a lot of international traders, they come here, they invest here, they do swing trading, they invest for long run. For example, Facebook, you cannot buy Facebook from France or from England or from Africa or from Japan. Okay, so you need to have a broker here that gives you access to the market in order to buy this stuff. Okay, Alibaba, Apple or Google, or whatever stock that you like. If you are an international student, a trader, you should check our market. If you want to trade in your market, just get this criteria and work with them. If I know that there are some people like they always ask me, for example, from India or from some other countries where their currency is so weak compared to the dollar. I understand that. That's why I made PDF files which are cheaper, and we have 80% discount. So I think with all this, no one will complain again. They say, oh, it's not, because the other, if you go to other providers or teaching schools or whatever, they charge thousands of dollars for their training, and you will never know what is it, this training. You just pay and then you see. Now for me, in my channel, I try to explain as much as I can how I trade, okay, in general ideas, but I don't give you the specific things, because you need to get my training. If you don't like it, you go to find another training from another provider. For me, I'm just trying to help as much as I can. Okay, those who want to have a simple strategy based on price only, there is nothing you should do than price. Okay, because all the other strategies online or with other brokers or whatever, most of all they do indicators, and it will make your trading so hard. They ask you, go online in the morning, look at the news, look at this guru, what they say, look at this, go to CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg, go here, go there, go Nasdaq, see. How can you trade like that? Okay, so you will be more confused with their training than before, and each one tells you something. Okay, if you go, for example, to a stock, any stock, go and check analysts what they say. Some analysts, they say hold, it means you are good. Some they say buy, some they say sell. Okay, so if these guys they have no opinion, it means their opinion are different. You also, you can have your own opinion. Okay, so my suggestion, if you want a direct, easy strategies, whatever you want to buy, either you can use indexes, ETFs, or use the stocks. Okay, it's all good. For me, I don't buy mutual funds. I buy ETFs or stocks, and all are stocks. It means ETF is a stock. You can buy it, you can sell it, and ETF, exchange traded fund, is just a stock that attracts an index. Okay, I give you an example. Let's say the Dow Jones Industrial Index. What is its ETF? Its ETF is DJIA. Okay, this is the ETF. Now, if you buy the ETF, what does it mean? It means you will be following the Dow Jones Index, because you can't buy the index, but you can buy its ETF, which is just a stock following the index. If the stock goes up, if the index goes up, your stock ETF goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. So it means the same. That's why there are some people who just buy indexes and leave them. You can buy an index by industry or by sector. There are thousands of indexes. Okay, it will be so hard. But for me, I simplify all these things by my strategy. You do the search, you will find all the stocks and ETFs that are in the market which have a momentum. A momentum, it is me who give the criteria in order to find the momentum. It's not the momentum you find it online for free and someone will tell you where is the momentum. Momentum is just a stock that can explode up. Okay, for example, if you are in doubt, for example, you say how can this be good, or you are in doubt, you don't know. Okay, just go to training level 7, how to follow an uptrend. I will show you how to follow a trend with a stock, and then you will find my trade that I have been for 4 months until now, and I'm still in this trade, and I will show you what is this momentum and how the stock goes up and how you can make money and you stay longer and longer and longer. Okay, this is how to follow the trend, and this is what we call trend following. Okay, a stock, we are not going to buy stock the whole year, because sometimes the stock is going down, then it goes up, then it goes down, then it goes up. So we are not staying when the stock is going down and take your money, okay, and you have a big loss. Or the stock is going up, you make money, then you stay, then it is going down, then you lose all your profits. This is, I'm not saying it's so stupid, but you don't know. Okay, if you don't know how to deal with a stock, you will never know when to stay or when to exit. And this problem, I have a solution. You want to know it? Just go to training level 7. Okay, by videos, you just take the training. You see my live trade I make each week one or two videos, and I'm following, and I'm telling you what you should do in any situation, and you follow the stock. That's why I am 4 months in this stock. From the 1st of May 2017 I bought a stock until now. Now today is Sunday, so last Friday I'm still in the stock. Now today is Monday, so it's a holiday, there is no market, so on Tuesday I will follow the stock and see what's going on. Okay, or you can take my subscription, do it for 1 month, check it. There are 4 training for free, and then you have my search for each week. I show you how to search, I show you how to select the stocks. But my subscription, it is for training. It's not a stock picks that some guys, I don't like those guys who are so lazy. They don't want to work for themselves, and they want that someone send them a stock. I would not send you a stock. My subscription is a training on hand. It means you will be searching as I search. You will be finding stocks as I find. You will be buying as I buy. Okay? Now, at the end of this subscription, you will find the trade. We have 16 videos I made for my live trade, and it is real. It means it is. I can't figure it out. I can't just have the stock moving for 4 months and then I make videos and explain. No, I explain the day when I explain. It is live for that day and what has happened that day or 2 days or 1 week, and then I make a video. Okay, since I am still in, that means I know how business is done in trading. Okay, you can't fake it out a big stock and you manipulate it, or you can't. Okay, this is not a penny stock that it is $1 or $2 and some they go play with it as I see other people do. So this is a real thing, and I am having more trades prepared, and I will publish them for you guys, for my followers, in subscription or mainly in subscription. Okay, so it's someone asks me a question for how long do you stay? Okay, how long do you stay in the trend? So I just explained that no one knows. If the stock is going up, how do you know if it is few days, 1 week or 2, 1 month or 2? For me, when I buy the stock, I will never know tomorrow what will happen, and this is true for every trader. But when we buy our momentum on a signal that we know the criteria. Okay, if it goes good, we stay, and we follow the stock until it stops giving money. So you tell me, Karim, how do you know it stops? How? Okay, there are signals, and these signals, it is teachable. It means I teach you in theory and in practice on live video how to do it, and you will see it. You will see me doing it. Okay, here I'm not going to convince you about something. No, you just do it by yourself. You see what I'm doing. You can ask me questions. All my it means all my followers or students or those who follow me. Okay, you have a question, whatever question you have. If it's very good when you debate things with me. This is what I like from my students or my followers, subscribers on YouTube. I like that. Even some people who have a different opinion from me. This is trading, and there are hundreds of ways to do strategies to trade stocks. I am not the only one. But what is the thing that is good in my strategies? That they are simple. No indicators, no moving averages, no looking at the company news, fundamentals, those gurus, those analysts, or those brokers. Nothing. No TV at all. I don't watch TV. I don't go to see what the market is doing because some people do. It's just stupid. If the market is down, I go to index, Dow Jones. I know what's going on. The whole market. So what should I do with these guys who are, you see them like professional, having a suit, okay, and CNN and Bloomberg, okay, what's going on? The Dow Jones goes down 500 points. Oh, the investors are scared. Okay, what's this? It's like they do like a party of giving you information that you already know. Okay? And if you think that those guys will give you information, good information to make you make money, you are wrong, and you will stay all your life doing the same mistakes. Because when you go online, you have different opinions because they have different interests. Okay? A company that wants their stock to go up, they advertise. They ask this analyst to speak about this company good. Okay? And if the company, let's say, last year, the stock has made 20%, they will try to boost that. This is last year. It's not the company that boosts its stock. It can't. It can advertise, yes. Okay? It can advertise, yes. They pay money, they advertise with the company, but the price is not governed by advertisement. It's governed by the market, because the market is fair. If there is buying, the stock will go up by force. There is what we call a demand. Okay? Especially when there is a big guy behind or many guys behind. You see the stock is going up, and even though the short sellers want to short it, they can't because there is a big move. But if you see the long trend and the people they talk about this stock with the long trend, are you going to buy? Because they ask you to buy. Now when they ask you to buy, when you buy, they are selling. Okay? They are selling. This is a true thing. And this is the secret I'm telling you. Although this secret is very simple to understand, but a lot of people, they don't understand. They believe in those people in TV asking them what to do. Okay, man, that stock, that company is doing great. It will continue, just buy. Okay. How do you know that, man, this stock will go up or go down? Okay? This is just an opinion. You can have your opinion based on anything. You can go check the company if it's good, and you give your opinion. You can make a channel, YouTube channel, and speak about the market as they do. You can challenge them, okay, and give information about stocks, about the market today, what it does. This, you are speaking about the past, okay? If you say the market today is down, but there are some stocks that are going up today, okay? Even if the market is going down, okay? Even in the big news, international news or national news, everything is going down, but there are some stocks that go down, that go up. I give you an example. Last year, in the pre-exit, okay, pre-exit news, when Great Britain left European Union on Friday, Dow Jones has gone down 500 points. Everything is red. But I make a video and I showed utilities sector, which all going up. What do you think about that? So the market, when you say the market, it is a general thing. For me, I'm not looking to the market. I'm looking for stocks, because stocks are different from the market. Not all the stocks follow the market. Okay? So try to focus on what you buy. Don't focus on the whole market. And that's why some people, they are always confused. They ask me, oh, what do you think about the market this 3 months or 4? Do they go up or go down? I say, I don't know. How I know tomorrow what will happen? I don't know, and no one knows. But if you follow stocks and they're going up, it doesn't matter what the market is doing. I don't care about what the market are doing, or other sectors that are going down. I don't care about them. Since I have a stock that is going up, what is my problem with other? I don't care about other indexes or other sectors or industries, because there is what we call and I always explain this, there is what we call industry rotation. Some industries go up, some industries go down. This is a fact in the market. Okay? Now, why this happened? It's just because mutual funds and the big guys, they buy some industries stocks, and other industries, they sell them. It means they sell the shares there and they buy the others. That's why the whole market is changing every second. But there are trends, big trends in the industries, like in the stocks. Okay? If you find an industry is going up and you can enter on momentum on the right time, and this industry goes up, you will make a lot of money because you will stay 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, 8 months. You are not here doing what we call investing. You are not investing. You are just staying longer because this position is good and the trend is so strong. And this is what I am teaching you. I'm not teaching you like day trading. Each day you go in and out, in and out, in and out. By the end of the month, your broker will take all your profits from commissions. This is stupid, but the people, they don't know. Although I explained hundreds of times, but still people, someone sent me an email and he said he has 30 stocks. He bought 30 stocks. I say, man, how much money do you have in order to buy 30 stocks? Okay, it's too much. Do you have like $500,000, $1 million? Yes, you can buy 10 stocks, 20 stocks, 30 stocks because you have money. But if you don't have money, you have $10,000, for example, or $5,000, you can't buy 30 stocks because the commissions will eat all your profits. If you don't know, man, just go and do some calculations. Okay? Do some calculations because some people, they trade, they have no idea how to manage their account because it is boring. I understand that. For example, if you go to training level 8, how to minimize risk and maximize profit, when you see that title of the training, you don't like it because it's just boring. You go and you check this, you check that, you see that. Okay, it's boring. That's why beginners, they don't like boring things. They like excitement. That's why they don't learn anything from any training. Okay, they don't learn. You should learn everything about your business in order to make money. Making money is not tips, quick tips. Okay, give me a quick. Someone asks me, give me quick tips to make money in the market. This is stupid. Okay, what's this? Well, I always laugh when they say quick tips. What's this quick tips? Okay, are we here doing fast food like McDonald's or something like that? We are not doing fast food here. Okay, or selling vegetable and fruit. It's just quick and just to eat and just, no. We are doing business. It means when you have an account, you should take care of the problems in your account. You should know what to do. You should know how to handle the account, to do position sizing, how many positions in the account. You should use a stop loss. You should not leave stocks like this without stop loss, and you play the fool in the market. Because when you get hit, believe me, you will understand what I am saying. Okay? Because some people, they don't know. They leave their stocks like this without stop loss. But one day, a hedge fund comes and he hit that stock, and from $20 it can go to $10. You can't stop that because there is no stop loss. So you will lose half of your money just in one day. Even if you have been making money for 1 week or two, but one day comes, you will lose everything. And this is what my teaching is all about, is to manage your account, to know when to buy stock, put stop loss to protect yourself, follow the stock until it stops, and that is my strategy. It means it's very simple. And almost all who have taken my training, they have changed their vision to the stock market. They understand everything. Okay, they don't look for reasons. The stock goes down today. Oh, you go online searching. You see CNN. What do they say about this company? This is stupid. Because trading has nothing to do with the company. Trading has to do with people who trade. Because the company doesn't trade the stock. The company are doing their business. They are buying or selling things in the stores. They have no relation with the stock. A stock is something else. And you should understand that. Don't be fooled by all these people who speak about fundamentals and they confuse you more and more and more. You will never know. You see a good company with good earnings and it is famous, but its stock is going down. Are you going to buy this stock? This company because it is nice, because it is good, because it makes money? Okay? You don't. So, to understand all this, you just have to make a plan. I don't say to you, oh, okay, come here, do the training. I don't care. I don't care. If you don't need it, you just listen. If you are not interested, you can go to another like channel and look for whatever you want to look. For me, I'm trying to help those who need help. Those who have an idea and they make money in the market. Some people of them, they come to the channel and they try to show that they know a lot of things and they try to debate. I always try to be polite and debate with them. If they are not these guys, if they are not hostile to the channel or to me, so I allow this. I always like people who debate the thing, but most of the people, they don't debate what is in the video. I challenge them always. Okay, did you watch it? Did you watch the video? You say yes. Okay, debate with me the information. Don't speak about me. Speak about what I say. Okay, do you have something to tell if you know trading? Now, if you don't know trading, okay, just learn from me. If you don't like to learn from me, okay, just go to someone else. That's very simple thing. But those negative people, I have only one or two during the whole year, so I am lucky. I am lucky not having these negative people. Okay, I say to them, okay, you like my channel, you like what I say, follow me. If you don't, just subscribe, go to another channel. I don't care that much, but I care only about my followers, my subscribers. I try to give as much as I can as information. I have been here for many years, from 2011 until now. I'm trying to help as much, and I help thousands of people all over the world, not just in America, in the United States of America, but I have students and friends everywhere in the world. Okay, some countries I even don't know until I check their country in the map. I try to see where is this country, because I don't know them. I don't know because we have hundreds of countries in the world. Okay, so all they benefit, all the people are searching for the good stuff, good training, very simple, and that's what I do, and that's how I trade. Now, as I told you before, those who just have doubts or something, okay, just to take for example, a subscription for 1 month and see it. If it's good for you, stay. If not, you just try to find another provider. If you want to see my live trade for 4 months, you can see my subscription or training level 7, how to follow an uptrend. This is a live videos, 60 videos I have made until now. I stayed 4 months, and this is one of the proofs, okay, that my strategy works. Okay, and when you see and when you study, you begin to understand that that trading stocks is a game. Okay, it is just a game of price. It has nothing to do with with the Fed, or with interest rate, or with Trump if he won or not, or Obama or anything else. Okay? It has nothing to do with that. But when they see some, like when some action, government action or federal action or news, oh, they say it has a relation. Yes, it is. It is not they have a relation. It is just the traders respond to this news, sometimes by shorting, sometimes by going long. Okay? Sometimes it is bad day, sometimes it is good day. This is just the traders' response to news. It's not only news that do that. Sometimes it is a good news and the market is going down. And you are astonished why. Okay, the people want to short because they want to short. So you don't ask people why they do, why they buy, why they sell. Okay, I give you an example. If you go during the day, go to your broker and check any stock. You find people are buying, selling. Now you ask yourself, who are they? Buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling from 9:30 to 4 o'clock, and you find millions of shares traded in a day. Why the people are buying and selling? Okay? Do you want to know what are these? It's just because people, they have strategies and they just try to make some money. One buys and then he lost money. One he buys, he makes a little money. One he buys and he makes more money. It depends on the day, it depends on the trader, it depends on the whole market mood. That's it. Okay? Don't tell me like someone who told me before that whenever I buy a stock, it goes down. I say, okay, it's just you don't know how to buy a stock. Okay, check your training and you know how to buy, and that's it. You solve your problem. Why you are staying with a problem many years? Now if you stay many years doing the same mistakes, you will lose thousands of dollars, and then when you have no money, you stop trading and you begin renting. You go to Craigslist or you go to channels and you begin. I have these people sometimes, they come to my channel, they are renting. They are not asking for information. They are not debating my video information. They are just renting. Oh, the whole stock market is a scam. I don't know. There is a fraud. There is manipulation. It's just because you are a loser. When you are a loser, you tell all this. But when you make money, you will have a different opinion. Okay? If this stock market all is a scam, okay? So all our economy will collapse if there is no stock market. Stock market is the biggest economical place in the world. The companies, they come and get listed to the stock market. Why? To get money from the investors. Okay? Let's see, for example, Facebook. What was the lowest price? In 2012, Facebook was $17.55. Okay, what is it now? Let's say, I didn't check last Friday, but let's say it's 170. Okay? If you bought at that time, and now you see how much money you make. Don't tell me there is manipulation and there is. What is this manipulation? You make money if you buy at $20, $25, $30, $40, $50, and you stayed 1 year or two. Like for example, you are an investor. You have made money. Okay? So this opportunity you will never find in other place than stock market. That's why it is the biggest market in the world. It's just because some people, they can make money. Now the other people, they can't make money. It's just because you don't know how to trade. This is as simple as this. It's not because you are not intelligent or your IQ is low. Because there's a funny thing I want to tell you. Some guy I know, I don't know this guy from where he comes. Maybe he is a PhD or something. He began to talk. He come to the channel and he began to talk about IQ. I have a high IQ. I don't know, man. I told him, if you are driving in the desert or in some remote place and your car stops and you are not a mechanic, you don't know how to fix the car, man, your IQ is 0. You will die there. Okay? And there are a lot of people who go to the forests or go to the desert, and they don't know, or they get lost or something and they die there. Okay, so we are human being. Human being all are intelligent. Okay, we are not like a chimpanzee or something like that. Okay, so all the people have intelligence. Okay, some have what we call practical intelligence, and some they have theoretical intelligence. Some who do with theory and all the stuff, okay, they are good because their brain work good with theories, with abstracts. Now there are some people who are good, their brain is good for practical thing. A mechanic, for example. Okay? If your car is broken, man, you will stay. If they give you 50 years to fix it, you will never fix it because you don't know what's wrong with the car. But you give it to a mechanic, he will fix it for you. Okay? Even if you are PhD and you are teaching philosophy, or you're teaching, or you are working in NASA, or you are for example, a president of United States of America. This is not about IQ. It's about the know-how. The know-how is different from knowing something. You can know something, but you can't make it, or you can't create it. Okay? So there are a lot of things, and I think I have spoken so different many subjects here. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope that this day you will take a rest. Okay, if I annoy you, I'm sorry. Watch my video later, and have a nice day without me. Okay, and I hope that you try to understand what I am doing here, and try to find the best thing for you in order to succeed in the stock market and to know how to trade. And it will be a piece of cake later when you know what you need is only money and money and money to buy more and more and more, and then you can make more and more and more. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you next video. Thank you very much.